Any mention? Item number 1.
My Lord, we are challenging the order passed by the learned single bench, dismissing my writ petition on 2 grounds. Number 1 is, my Lord, the writ petition filed against the Women College is not maintainable under Article 226. And second issue is, my Lord, on the merits of the case, in view of the fact that the class 11 and 12 has been segregated from the degree level, in view of that, the dismissal or removal of the writ petitioner from the post of associate assistant professor by the college managing governing body, there is no illegality.
Where's the impugned order?
My Lord, the impugned order, page number, my Lord, 370. It's a short, not that long order.
You see, he was assistant?
My Lord,
Assistant
professor.
professor.
Yeah, he was appointed as a lecturer for class 11 and 12. He continued there, and subsequently, management board assigned him to teach in a degree level also. So he teach there from 2013 onwards.
What is the finding of the single
My
bench?
Lord, the finding of the single bench, my Lord, may come to, it's a short order. We come to page number 377.
Yeah.
My Lord, it says, my Lord, the petitioner was employed in the college and necessary permission was given to the college only to run higher secondary classes, which is not disputed by the petitioner. The petitioner was paid monthly wages initially and was thereafter brought under scale of pay, and also revised scale of pay was remunerated to him. Thus, it is apparent that the employer, namely the college, does not want to discriminate teachers in respect of payment of salary. Even assuming for the sake of argument that he was allowed to continue in the college against the sanctioned post, teachers to impart education on computer application, it can be implied that it was only for the higher secondary section and not otherwise. Once the sanction has not been accorded by the university on account of the bifurcation of the college from the purview of the secondary education, by its communication dated such manner, this was never produced. The request of the petitioner that he should be discontinued continue in the college to conduct classes for the students cannot be accepted and is next to impossible. Though the college has offered him the post to class 10 and 12 students on a lower pay scale applicable to the said post, the petitioner has turned down the offer and refused to join the lowest. The offer was never given to him. The judgment, my Lord, refer to St. Mary's Education Society case.
Yes.
Then we come to my Lord, para 11. From the above, it is very clear that the petitioner is not entitled to any relief, and even assuming for the sake of argument that the writ petition is maintainable, when the post itself is abolished on account of bifurcation, my Lord, the petitioner cannot seek a direction from this court to continue him in the post, which is no longer in existence, my Lord. If we go by the bifurcation order, my Lord, the government has passed the order in 1995. Bifurcation. University, my Lord. 1995. NEW has passed the order.
And you were taken off from employment when?
From 2011 and granted to regular pay scale from 2013 for class 11 and 12.
Yes.
My Lord, may I continue with that? If the submission of the petition is accepted, it would amount to creation of posts and issuance of appointment to teachers by the court sitting on the administrative side, which is not permissible. Learned counsel for the petitioner has relied upon the decision of the apex court in the case of such, reported in such, to substantiate his case that since the college has been receiving aid from the government, the writ petition is maintainable. Of course, he fairly concedes that there was no aid granted to the post, which the petitioner is holding. The decision rendered by the referred to by the learned counsel for the petitioner was considered by the apex court in the subsequent judgment referred to in Sopra St. Mary's case, wherein paragraph such apex court categorically held as follows. My lord,
Yes.
this is the, my lord.
Now, where's your appointment order?
My lord, my issue, the concern
Everything
is
stems from.
I was never given the copy of appointment letter. Now they
How is
arranged,
that possible, and how you were serving the
my
post?
lord, that is the issue. Now, he was inducted along with other lecturers in 2011, and there was no,
There has to be some terms of engagement.
well, that is the issue. Therefore, college teacher representatives urged to the managing board also to issue the appointment letters to him and others. So other person they have issued. Similarly, selected, recruited by the
Sorry to
management.
interject, but the thing is that, see, whatever rights you derive will come from your, the basis is the appointment order. No? That's the
Yes.
thing.
Correct.
Where is that?
My lord, that was never given. Therefore, I insisted for that.
Then
Please,
how did you continue? How many years you worked?
my lord, 9 years. 9 years they continue. And they have given
Without
me,
appointment order.
yes. And one fact is, my lord, they have given me the college pay scale, the college pay scale. And
Let's
this
see that.
college pay scale was never given to ad hoc or case lecturers. It was only given to college sanctioned teachers. My lord, may I just come to a few facts of the case before I place some
Let's see
decision?
that. Where's that?
My lord may come, yes. Page number 67, my lord, of the memo of appeal, where they have upgraded.
Then another thing is that, okay, there's no appointment order. Did he come? He was appointed how?
As my lord, he was inducted without advertisement. That is true. Not only me, and others also. This
Or
is
he
a
was just
system.
appointed by the governing body?
My governing body appointed me, and with assurance that they will issue an appointment
Then
letter.
your case becomes weaker and weaker.
My
with
lord,
time.
may come to page number 67.
Yes.
This is the resolution of the GP, governing body. My lord, briefing of the GP governing body resolution adopted on 8 June 2013. May I just straight come to, my lord, in the second paragraph, second last paragraph, Mr. Ajit Paul, my lord, at the bottom, Department of Computer Application to be brought against college pay scale. My lord, so my humble submission is, my lord, if I'm not holding the college sanction post, my pay scale would never be upgraded to a college pay scale. And this is my lord, none of the case lecturers, ad hoc appointees, enjoy this privilege. This is only given to a college sanction post. Now, there are three categories of lecturers are there. May I please, my lord. One is a lecturer who enjoy the grant from the government. Another one is, my lord, a lecturer who is appointed for the college sanction post, and his salary is borne by the college itself. And third category is, my lord, ad hoc or case lecturer. My lord. They used to pay 500 per lecture. Now, read petitioner fall under the second category. And because of that, they have given the sanction scheme.
So from where were they paying you?
My lord, from the college fund. And this was continuing. Thereafter, my lord, kindly see, page
Where's
number
the
71.
order of the college disengaging you?
My lord,
Where
that
is
is page number, my lord. I just, Lordship, I invite Lordship permission, attention to page number 71.
71.
Yes. The principal himself given this letter also. 70 page. It's certified that Mr. Ajit Paul is serving in this college as a full-time lecturer in the Department of Computer Science since 2011. Currently drawing salary in the college scale of payable such per basic stands at such. He draws a total amount of rupees such. This is also given by the college principal. He is full-time. And thereafter, my lord, he allowed to participate in the contributory GPA fund,
Okay,
the next
but then,
72 also.
Where's the letter?
Now, termination order, my lord. May come to termination order without any issue notice. My lord may come to page number 100. 100, my lord. 100.
Yes.
My lord, on the top, he has written letter on 14 December. There's with reference to email to you dated such and such respective. I would like to request you to yet again to clarify my current position in the college. There was a rumor that he would not be allowed to continue in service. Today being the last working day of the college for the current year, I would like you to kindly clarify the same so that it may become easy for me to understand my future in this institution. Anticipation, madam. Now it replies, madam. Dear Mr. Ajit, I was of the opinion that you have been informed by the teachers' representative of the governing body's decision to do away with the department in the college as it never started as a separate department in the degree section. As on today, the department is not there in the college. Department of Computer Application. Now, throughout 9 years, and to obtain better accreditation of the college, they have furnished to the Union Ministry that the computer application is one of the department.
Okay, leaving that aside.
Right.
So your terms and engagement not clear. How do you just start working like that? On one fine day, the governing body just called you, you started working.
Right.
And you have paid a regular scale of college scale of pay.
Yes, yes.
And then from which head you don't know where you paid from.
Right.
And then by this letter it's a disengaged.
Disengaged. And disengaged not because you are wrongly appointed, it is because department is no longer in existence.
Yes, who's appearing for state board?
I appear for the
College.
Your Lordship. First of all, as my learned friend has pointed out, Your Lordship, there was no post advertised, no interview held, and as such, no appointment order, Your Lordship.
And how did you employ
Lordship,
him?
he has been doing odd jobs, which will be evident from the documents annexed by him, Your Lordship.
What kind
Lordship,
of
may
odd
kindly
jobs?
turn to page 89, the sort of jobs he was doing. If he is appointed against a regular post, Your Lordship, he will not be doing these odd jobs in a college. Lordship, page 89. This is addressed to Mr. Ajit Paul. The undersigned would like to request you to kindly conduct coaching classes during the year 2014 for civil services, banking, staff selection, examination, and the integrated UGC-sponsored service entry-level coaching classes to be held at Women's College, Shillong. The classes are scheduled to commence from so-and-so. Lordship, this is 2014. He claims to be appointed as a computer applications teacher in 2011.
Yes.
Lordship, if your Lordship is pleased to turn the page, page 90 again, he's page 91. This is for the year 2015. He's again conducting these kind of coaching classes in the college. Lordship, page 93, in the year 2017 also he's doing these kind of coaching classes for civil services.
$250 per session.
Lordship, these are documents annexed by him, not brought on record by us. So the fact remains, Your Lordship, is that there was no sanctioned post.
Yeah.
Lordship, he joined the institution as a supporting faculty, and he was actually conducting some kind of computer literacy classes in classes 11 and 12, Your Lordship.
How does he say as assistant professor? Has he
Lordship,
ever been recognized as such?
Claims that he was appointed as a lecturer. This is his own admission. He was appointed as a lecturer in class 11 and 12. That's an admitted position. That's not disputed. So even if he's appointed as a lecturer in class 11 and 12, Your Lordship, first of all, Lordship, that is computer application. There is no department in the higher secondary section of computer studies.
No, the thing is that there has to be a selection process. How do you come in into employment also? Absolutely, there's not a letter of temporary appointment also. Just like that.
My lord, yes.
Lordship,
And similar,
Then what
this is the
rights
way,
you
my
have?
lord. I have a next one.
Lordship, if I may just point out, in 2017, he claims he's teaching there as a lecturer. In 2017, Your Lordship, he writes to the college asking for an appointment letter.
Which
Even
page?
in 2017. That's at
Which?
page 80, Your Lordship, dated 22nd July, 2017. So it's not that one fine day he has been terminated. He's not even been terminated because he's never been appointed, Your Lordship. Lordship, may I read just the first para? The undersigned takes this opportunity to communicate to the concerned authority to consider my tenure of service from 20th June 2011 as a faculty in this institution in the Department of Computer Applications and provide me my appointment letter. This is in 2017, Lordship.
Yes.
So he's fully aware of the fact that he's never been appointed as anything in this college. He's just doing these odd jobs. Whenever there is some computer literacy classes to be conducted, he takes that. When this UGC, whatever this coaching classes, he's conducting that, Your Lordship, from time to time every year. And Lordships, remunerations of 250 that Your Lordship has noticed. But Your Lordship, what he was pointing out, because from time to time he has been in this college, Your Lordship, so that he is not, some kind of disparity is not there, Lordship, so he was being given some kind of a salary. Now, the other aspect, which is the main concern, Your Lordship, is that now he claims that he should be allowed to continue as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science in the college. Now, Lordship, MBOS has bifurcated the higher secondary section from the degree section in all the colleges, Your Lordship. So even in this particular college, Your Lordship, it was bifurcated by MBOS, Your Lordship, in 2019. Lordship, this, if I may just place, Your Lordship, it is on this basis that the learned single judge came to a finding that when there is no post, there is no department, there is this question of... this is the bifurcation done by MBOS, Your Lordship.
What is the only if it's been terminated, then you can understand. Yes. Yes, anything else? This is
Lordship, the Northeastern Hill University also accepts the fact that no sanction has been accorded. That's at page 1 of this compilation, Your Lordship. Last para, if I may read, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The college currently does not have affiliation of this university to offer any program on computer science. There is no record that the college has ever applied to the university seeking its affiliation for offering a program on computer science at its campus. So there is no department of computer science, Your Lordship. It was never there. No sanction has ever been given by the university. So the question of accommodating him in a department which does not exist, and obviously no sanction post in the non-existent department. That's our limited case.
Any authorities you have to support your case?
Well, I'll please.
We'll not go into the fact also because if just on Pranfasai also, it is no appointment order. You were never terminated.
Well,
it was against a non-existent post.
well,
So how do you seek to maintain the petition also?
my lord, I
The
will
state
assure,
has no role to play internally between the college and the appellant with regard to disengaging him.
my lord, I will show one decision
If
2000.
like the decision that was placed also, the whole is like if a person, a public function you exercise.
Yes.
Now it is done by the college itself. So
My lord, I will say place one authority, whereby said by the conduct of the authority, service can be confirmed. Confirmation of the service can be drawn from the conduct of the appointing authorities.
confirmations against an appointment letter.
My lord. No, that is the, my lord, I insist to pray for that, and therefore that irritated the management, therefore they terminate. Even now, my lord, department is still in existence. Now, there are two departments are there, my lord. One department recognized by the NIHU, that will offer, my lord, full-fledged degree course. Another department offered by, my lord, run by many colleges, and not only women college.
But you taught only 11 and 12, correct?
My lord,
Whatever you said,
yes.
you taught 11, 12.
my lord, even assuming that, my lord, there is no department in the degree level. What about my class 11 and 12 appointment? It is still in existence, my lord. Syllabus is still going on.
But that department's not there.
My lord, I'll show that one, my lord.
See,
My
the
lord,
college
kindly see
response
page number
is
84.
by the council said the college currently don't have any affiliation
My
or
lord,
university to offer any program on computer science.
my lord, that letter was never brought on in the record also. Lordship, I invite Lordship to have a look with the page number 84. 84 of the memo of appeal.
Lordship, this letter was placed by Nehu at the time of hearing.
No, it was not
Before the
given.
learned civil judge.
It was not placed.
Yes.
My Lord, 84, my Lord. Name of the employee, okay. Designation of the post held in which pay. Assistant Professor in Computer Application.
Whose document this one?
This is document of the governing body. College. By fixation. So they mention Assistant Professor in Computer. Well, and I will show another. Lordship, we kindly come to page number 211.
So, okay, cutting short to that, how do you see the single judge's orders wrong?
My Lord, there was single.
Simple as that.
My Lord, there is single judge.
Where's the palpable
Yes.
infirmity?
Yes. It is absolutely, my Lord, not as per the materials on record. My Lord. The termination was not because of the. Lordship, can you see page number 211? This is a faculty collegium report of the college every year, maintained by the college. For 211.
Yes.
My Lord, may kindly see, as part of the academic exercise of the institution, the monthly faculty collegium was organized in sessions and such too, and it included interesting and informative representation made by the faculty members on the third Saturday of every month. However, the Department of Economics, the Department of Anthropology, and the Department of Computer Application could not make their presentation on the third Saturday of the month as their scheduled date coincided with that of the college week. Selection test and last working day, respectively. The presentation made by the principal of the institution was randomly scheduled on account of the keen interest expressed by the faculty to learn about his perspective on language and literature. May I come by the last one, computer application, Mr. Ajit Paul, at the bottom. Same to the next one, my Lord, can you see the faculty members of all the departments presented their docs throughout the academic year.
These are not the regular classes, the colloquiums.
I will show, my Lord. I'm showing that. I'm showing that the department is in existence, my Lord. Lordship, can you see? And I may come further with Lordship, if Lordship give me some latitude, my Lord, to place this fact properly, my Lord. I may come to page number, my Lord, 139. This is the document submitted by the college to acquire higher accreditation, my Lord. Minister submitted to the ministry. 2013 and 12 and 13. Then may I come to, my Lord, relevant portion, page number 200, 100, my Lord, 42. 142. 142.
Yes.
Well, details of program offered by the college. List of faculty departments. My Lord, may kindly see name of the department, serial number 4, computer application.
But this is for which? For 11 and 12?
Yes. 11
What's the name of college?
Women
Where is
college.
11 and 12.
Women college.
Where does it see 11 and 12 in your form?
My Lord,
It doesn't see it for higher secondary.
this is
For
for
college only.
college only.
Yes.
College. This is for
So
the
you're
college.
not the college anymore. You want 11, 12 only.
My Lord, I'll come to that aspect if Lordship permits me. Class 11 and 12, my Lord. Because they say that degree level, there is no department. Now, may I come to the page number, Lordship, kindly page number 145. The sanction post.
Page?
145, my Lord. My Lord,
Yes.
see in the middle, my Lord, faculty, department, computer application, designation lecturer, my Lord, category, my Lord, the sanction post is one post is mentioned there in the middle, my Lord. And similarly, my Lord, if you go to another accreditation year, my Lord, we come to page number 158, 2014-15 academic session. And relevant one may I come to, well, page number 161 and 162.
Is all the information which is applied to this only survey and
Yes,
higher
yes.
education?
Submitted to Union Ministry, and through which they acquired the status of a grade B.
Oh, fine, but then the root of the matter that you never appointed.
My Lord, but my
How do you show that? That's the only thing you have to show the bridge. I mean, okay, fine, well and good that these things are happening, but then where is that? The root?
My
The
Lord, I
basis
will
of every
my Lord.
engagement is your employment letter.
My Lord, I'll show, my Lord, if the impunity order is issued to me, saying that you are never appointed, Therefore, since there is no appointment, we don't need your service anymore. If that is the foundation of the impugned order, I would have challenged that one. Now, the only ground cited by the authority is that in view of the fact that the department is not in existence, they are not taking the plea that you are never appointed. Whenever you are never.
As you came in, that's how you go out.
My lord, therefore, the conduct by the conduct of the conduct of the party
Yes.
can be easily, my lord,
But
influenced.
they offered you, they have not been unfair to you. They said, okay, you take a post again.
And my
lower
lord-
pay scale, that's all.
Yes,
I can
and-
offer the post in the higher salary section
Yes.
also.
No,
Take
but
it,
they
which
did
he
not
has
offer. If they offer me, I'm ready to accept
It's
even
on
now.
record.
Let them accept it.
But if they offer, even now
It's
also,
on record.
You accept it, we'll close the appeal.
if they offer, my lord, I'll.
You offered,
Now I don't know, Lordship, I'll have to take instruction, but at that time, it was
you offer,
offered and he
otherwise
has
close it.
refused.
But really, Mr. Changriso, to be very candid, I don't think the appeal will succeed.
My lord, I'll pursue it, my lord.
You'll pursue. Let him take instructions. If you offer him, he'll accept it.
Yes, if they offer me, my
He'll
lord.
accept it, and you'll.
Yes,
But you won't get problems in the college after that.
my lord.
Mr. Mata, you're appealing for whom?
I'm for Bush. Respondent was 7.
Anything to say?
Only that the bifurcation of the degree and that,
Was done when?
that was done to
2019.
2019, 1/4/2019.
And he was disengaged on?
2008, December 2019.
Mr. Shulai, anything to say?
Lordship, for the state, in fact, we have no rule, Lordship, because there is no relief claim and the post.
No, you had no hand in paying his salary. Huh?
Lordship, because admittedly, the post which said to be held by the petitioner, that there was no primary to that post.
And I will cite, my lord, I'll cite the acts, Meghalaya Education Act and the rules.
Do one thing. Let the senior counsel obtain instructions. But otherwise, that is the tentative view.
Oh, my lord, I'll
Because
give
we're
my-
only confined to examining
I'm grateful.
what the single judge.
I'm
It's not a
grateful.
writ petition
I'm-
that we can reopen anything.
I'm
It's a
grateful.
continuation of the thing.
My lord has built up that tentative view.
Yes.
I will pursue again, my lord. Let,
Yes,
let
of
a
course.
senior
We
take
appreciate
instruction.
that. Yes, in the course of hearing, it has been submitted by Mr. H.L. Changre to the council that if the offer for appointment still stands, the writ appellant would be willing to accept the same and effect closure to the entire matter. Stop Nekpara MSA Poland Senior Council on your respondent number
3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, and 5. Praise without how much time?
2 weeks' time?
2 weeks time.
Weeks' time, I
1 week's time to obtain specific instructions.
Lordship,
in this
only the
regard.
post which was offered was in the library science, Your Lordship. So I'll take
Whatever
instructions
post,
of that.
whatever post you offer.
But the
Because
offer
there is no
in the
computer
affidavit,
application.
the offer they have made in this, they have stated in the affidavit that I was offered for librarian, which I don't have librarian qualification, and they said that they have offer for class 11 and 12 lecturer for the class 11 and 12.
No, let them offer
in view
whatever
of
they
that,
offer, you
my lord,
examine it.
even-
Otherwise, but on merits, because
My lord,
it's
merits,
an appeal,
I'll try to pursue.
it's not a writ petition.
Even I remind my lord, with lordship permission, Lordship Justice Pipta Jarji, when sitting singly, even asked, put up this query, whether they still remain offer or not.
When I
But,
bench, when the matter was before, my
yes,
brother,
before matter reached to Honorable Chief Justice bench.
yes, and
let the senior take
after
instruction.
1 week, yes.
Obliged.
Much obliged.
I was going to close it just now.
I'll try, my lord.
Meet, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, steps upon the respondent has already been taken and we are awaiting service report.
You have obtained status then.
Yes, Lordship.
MSA Pradhan submits that, officer indicates that AD card in respect of the sole respondent,
Yes, Lordship.
sole respondent
Sole respondent.
is yet to be received. Stop. MSA Pradhan prays that she is allowed to obtain status report of service and to file service affidavit. But he is allowed this up to 2 weeks.
Highly obliged, Lordship.